Hello, my name is Roberto and my protostome is an earthworm. Why is earthworm is a protostome? Earthworms belong to the phylum Annelida, which is a group of segment worms that includes both protostomes and deuterostomes. However, most annelids, including earthworms, are protostomes. Protostomes are a group of animals in which the blastospore, the first opening that forms during embryonic development, becomes the mouth. In contrast, deuterostomes are a group of animals in which the blastospore becomes the anus and the mouth develops from a second opening. During the embryonic development, the earthworms, the blastospore becomes the mouth, which is a characteristic feature of protostomes. Therefore, earthworms are classified as protostomes based on the development trait. Additionally, earthworms also have other features that are common to protostomes, such as the presence of colon that is formed from solid masses of mesodermal cells. What is a protostome? A protostome is a type of animal that develops its mouth before the anus during embryonic development. In protostomes, the blastospore, which is an opening that forms early in the development, becomes the animal mouth. This is in contrast to the deuterostomes, another major groups of animals. In the blastospore becomes the animal anus, and the mouth develops later. Protostomes are named for the way in which the mouth develops first from the embryonic blastospore, which is the structure that forms during the early development. The blastospore eventually gives rise to the digestive system, which is the mouth forming from the anterior end of the developing embryo. How to identify a protostome? To identify a protostome, you need to look at its development characteristics, anatomy, and genetic makeup. Here are some key features that can help you to identify protostome. First one, development. During embryonic development, the mouth of the protostome develops first from the blastospore, while the anus develops later on the secondary opening. Symmetry: protostomes exhibit bilateral symmetry, which means that their bodies can be divided into two roughly equal halves along the central axis. Body cavity: protostomes can have one of three types of body cavities: a columate, pseudocolumate, or columate. Genetic makers: molecular studies have shown that protostomes share certain genetic markers that are not present in deuterostomes, such as a gene called snail that is involved in embryonic development. Anatomical features: protostomes often have a distinct pattern of segmentation in their bodies, and their nervous system is usually arranged in the vertebral nerve core with parent ganglia. Anatomy of earthworm. Earthworms have a long cylindrical body that is divided into many segments or metameres. Their body is covered by a moist sepals cuticule that helps them move through soil. Earthworms have a well-developed circulatory system that consists of dorsal blood vessel and 5 pairs of aortic arches. They also have a simple digestive system with the mouth, pharynx, esophagus, crop, gizzard, and intestine. Earthworms breathe through their skin, which is thin and moist, and excrete waste through verb nephria, which are especially organs that filter waste from the blood. Here are the citations, and thank you.